Windows doesn't let you snap 4 windows into a perfect grid. It doesn't pull text out of a screenshot. It doesn't bulk rename 100 files in one click. Microsoft already built all 3. You just never turn them on.
This is PowerToys, the free Microsoft toolkit from the last video. If it's already installed, here are 7 features worth turning on today.
First, FancyZones. Hold Shift while dragging a window. It snaps into a custom zone layout instead of just the left or right half. Done. That's a 4-pane grid in 2 seconds. Second, Advanced Paste. Copy text. Hit Windows plus Shift plus V and paste it as plain text, Markdown, or JSON. No formatting mess. Done. That pasted clean. No font carried over. Third, Color Picker. Press Windows plus Shift plus C, click anywhere on screen, and the exact hex code copies instantly. Done. That's the exact blue from this thumbnail template. Fourth, PowerRename. Select a folder of files, right-click, and rename all of them at once using Find and Replace or numbering. Done. 50 files renamed in one pass.
Fifth, Text Extractor. Press Windows plus Shift plus T. Draw a box around any text on screen, even inside an image or video, and it copies as editable text. Done. That's real text now, not a picture.
Sixth, Command Palette. Press Windows plus Alt plus Space to launch apps, run PowerToys utilities, and search files from one bar without touching the taskbar. Seventh, Awake. Turn it on before a long download or render, and your PC won't sleep. No touching Windows power settings at all. Done. Screen stays on until you turn it off. 7 features, 7 shortcuts, 0 extra software. If PowerToys is slowing your PC down instead of speeding it up, the next video fixes that. Link in the description.